Hey there, let me tell you something super cool. Recently, some smart people have been using technology to catch cheaters and copycats in science research. This is a big deal because it's about making sure science stays honest and trustworthy. Imagine this. At a famous cancer research center, Dana-Farber Cancer Institute, they found out that some of their research papers might have fake data. This was a huge surprise. A blogger named Sholto David, who's good at spotting these tricks, noticed that some images in the papers looked like they were copied and pasted. He's like a detective for science. Sholto isn't alone in this. Other awesome people are passionate about keeping science honest. They use cool tools like special software and big computer screens to spot images that are flipped, duplicated, or stretched. They even look for stolen ideas. Here's what happened at Dana-Farber. Sholto found more than 30 papers with fishy images from 4 researchers there. These papers were about cell research and even included stuff from human volunteers. This was a big deal because the people involved were high up in the institute. After Sholto's blog post, student journalists at the Harvard Crimson and other news outlets started talking about it. This caught a lot of attention, especially because there was another big plagiarism case at Harvard recently. Dana-Farber took this seriously. They said they were already checking some of these issues and decided to withdraw 6 research papers. They also corrected 31 others. When a paper is withdrawn, it means the research in it can't be trusted anymore. Elizabeth Bick, another science detective, has been doing this for 10 years. She's helped correct or withdraw over 2,000 papers. She looks for edited images in papers and believes that science should always be about finding the truth. These detectives use technology to find cheats and fakes in science papers. They believe science should be better and are worried that people might stop trusting science because of these cheats. Why do some scientists cheat? Well, sometimes it's just a mistake. But other times, they might feel pressured to get their work published, so they change images to make their results look better. What happens after these issues are found? Science journals, where these papers are published, start investigating. They keep it private until they decide to withdraw or correct the paper. Isn't it amazing how these detectives are helping keep science honest?